Hi, hello, and welcome to Fishy Friday. New fish recipes every Friday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Today we will be preparing Prawn Manchurian. Let's get into the video. Manchurian. This is a Chinese starter that has become very popular starter all around the globe. There are many variations of Manchurians, both in vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Today, we'll be cooking a prawn Manchurian. I've taken 300 grams of prawns, cleaned and deveined. We will add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of paprika, salt for taste, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and mix it. Now we will allow this to marinate at least for 30 minutes. We will add some oil to a pan. Once the oil is warm, add the marinated prawn. And fry it till the prawns get cooked. Now that the prawns are cooked, we will set this aside. Now for the Manchurian, I've added some oil to a pan. Once the oil is warm, we will add around 10 to 15 garlic cloves chopped. And fry it. Now add half an onion chopped and fry it along with the garlic. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies and a few capsicums, and fry it along with the onion and the garlic. Once the onion starts to get glossy, at this point of time we will add 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Now it's time to add the pre-cooked prawn into the Manchurian. Now add 2 drops of red food color. This would actually enhance the color for the Manchurian. Add some salt and cook it till the water simmers. Turn off the stove and your prawn Manchurian is ready to be served. Hope you love this video. Please share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.